My dear students, how are you? I hope you are all well, safe and sound, staying at your home during this critical moment. And I also hope that you are also practicing all your activities given by your valuable teachers. I am Palash Kumar Mondol, Assistant Teacher, Joshua Jilla School, Joshua. I am also well by the grace of Almighty God, and I am also following the rules and hygienes. So, my students, today we are going to start our new lessons. Can you remember on the other day I probably taught you about transformation of sentence, and that was from affirmative into negative sentence. Today I will also try to complete the rest of the rules of affirmative into negative sentence. So, you should be very careful and you should be very serious from the very beginning. So, my dear student, now have a careful watch on the board. Okay? But before starting, I would like to know that you should know some affirmative sentence can be changed into negative sentence by using the opposite word into it or inserting into it. Okay? And also you have to use not before that very changed word. Okay? Look at the board carefully. The boy is tall. Okay? Look. Look here, the boy is tall, that is Sileti Lomba, but by using the opposite word of the head word tall, we can make this affirmative sentence into negative sentence. Then the right answer should be the boy is not short. Okay? You know the opposite word of tall is short. That is why I have written short, and this is the complete sentence and this is the complete negative sentence, okay, without changing the meaning of the sentence, but here only just structure is changed, and this is the main role of transformation of sentence. You can remember it well. Okay? Look at the another example at the board. She is weak in English. Okay? She is weak in English. Look here. She is not strong in English. Look here very carefully. The opposite word of weak is strong. Okay? And by following this rule, you can easily change or make so many negative sentences. Okay? But my dear student, look at the board carefully. Now, if there is very in any affirmative sentence, then what will be the rule? Look at the board. Suppose he is very wise. Wise. Look, as there is very and wise, then what will be the negative sentence? Look here. He is not unwise at all. Okay? At all. Look, if there is very, then you have to use at all. And of course, you should follow the previous rule, if the word is wise and then you need to use the opposite word of the wise, unwise, and of course not. And this is the way by which you can change or you can make so many negative sentences. Okay. Now, look at the board again. I am just writing another rule here. If there is always in affirmative sentence, then what will be the rule? What are you thinking about it? Yes, this rule is also very easy to change, and if we are very careful, of course, this will be very simple or easy for you. Look here, if the sentence is in this form, I never, I always appreciate him. আমি সবসময় তাকে প্রশংসা করি. Look, as there is always, then what will be the rule? And this is another word, the head word, main word in the sentence appreciate. Then look at the board, what will be the answer? I never despise or depreciate or disregard. Never despise, or you can write disregard him. Look at another example. I shall always remember you. Okay. Look at the board. Then the negative sentence will be I shall, as there is always, so you should write never. I shall never, and of course the antonym or the opposite word of the head word should be used here, forget. Okay, forget you. And this is the right way, or this is the right system by which you can make a great deal of negative sentences. Okay, suppose look at another example. The boy is always punctual, punctual, punctual. So you can write the boy is never late. Okay. My dear students, you can just change or you can just write so many affirmative, so many negative sentences by following these rules minutely. Okay, let me get started another new rules. Okay, dear students, you are probably familiar with so many sentences that express universal truth. Okay, চিরন্তন সত্য. There are so many sentences that express usually universal truth. Look, suppose the earth moves round the sun. Okay, health is wealth, knowledge is power. Okay, the sun gives us light. Is it true? Yes, of course, all these are true. Okay, and look, if you are asked to change from that very sentences from affirmative into negative sentences, then what will you do? Of course, no problem, you shouldn't have no problem, it is very easy way in case of changing from affirmative into negative sentence. Okay? And now have a careful watch on the board, at the board. Okay? Look, if I write knowledge is power, yes, it is right, knowledge Gyani Shakti. Okay? And let me another sentence, the earth is round. We know it much, the earth. Look at another example, the sun rises in the east. And I know you have knowledge about so many sentences that express universal truth, and the process of changing from affirmative into negative sentence in case of these sentences is very easy. Then you have to just make it into intro negative. Okay? Intro negative, the sentence that will express interrogative with negative sense. Okay? Look, as there is the main verb here, then you need to use isn't. Okay? Look, is, then the short or contracted form of not should be added, did, and then isn't. The rest of the sentence will be used. Knowledge, power. Then of course you should have used note of interrogation at the end of the sentence, as the sentence is intro-negative sentence. So you should also have to use this interrogation mark. Okay? And look, the earth is round, then the answer should be isn't the earth round. Of course you should have to use this mark. Okay? And the last one, look at this. Look at this last one, as rises, there is h with verb, so you of course have to use doesn't. Okay? Doesn't. Okay? And it is, as it is in present indefinite tense, so of course if you want to make it intro negative, of course you have to use does, and with does of course you should have to add not, and of course not should be in contracted form. Doesn't the sun rise? Okay? As we have just used does at the very beginning of the sentence, so of course you have to use rise, the present form. Doesn't the sun rise in the east? Okay? And this is the system, or this is the way by which, or by following the method or the system, you can change or you can transform so many sentences from affirmative into negative. Okay? Now we may get started another rules. Okay? Okay, my dear students, I hope you are also familiar with degree, and if the sentence is in superlative degree, then what will be the negative sentence? Look at the board carefully. Suppose the sentence is in like way or in this way, Karim is the best boy in the class. Okay. Look, here the sentence is in superlative degree. So, you have to follow a structure if you want to change the sentence into negative sentence. Okay. Then you need to use structure no other. Okay. Look here, no other. Then the last part after the superlative degree, the last part after superlative degree, and then verb, and then so or as plus positive degree plus subject, prodotto subject. Okay. Look, and if you can memorize this structure, then the process or rule will be very easy for you in case of changing from this affirmative into negative sentence. Okay. Look here, negative. So, according to structure, no other will be used at first, no other. Look, and here this is in superlative form. So, after superlative form, this portion or part should be used after no other. No other boy, look here with deep care, no other boy in the class, then verb should be used, is, then as, and of course the positive form of this superlative form. Good, you know that good, better, best. Good is in positive form, better is in comparative form, and of course best is in superlative form. And then of course this subject. Okay. As good, as positive form, then as, then subject Korim. Okay. Look, by using this rule, you can just change, or you can transform so many affirmative sentence into negative sentence. Look at another example. Here, suppose the podda that is the pod is the largest. The Podda is the largest river in Bangladesh. Look, and if we want to change it into negative sentence, then you can just change it by following this structure. Look, at first we need to use no other, yes, no other. Then the rest of the part will be used, no other river in Bangladesh. Look, in Bangladesh is of course the subject. The subject may be was or were if the subject according to the verb may be past form if there is the sentence is in past form. Okay. in Bangladesh is as large as the Padma. And by using this process or rules or structure, you can have a scope to make so many negative sentences. My dear valuable learners, I always tell you that of course English is a practice based English subject. So I hope that you are practicing during this critical moment, staying at your home, and if you just practice daily, okay, then all the rules will be very easy for you. And you of course know that practice makes a man perfect. Yes. Look at another rule. If there is sometimes, okay, sometimes, okay, in the affirmative sentence, then look what will be the negative sentence. Okay, suppose my friend sometimes comes to me. Look, as there is sometimes, and of course you have to look the verb here comes, as there is s. Okay, so you have to write in case of negative sentence, my friend, okay, does not, okay, doesn't or does not, okay, as there is s. And of course in place of sometimes you should need to write my friend does not always, okay, always. Then the main verb should be used come to me. Okay, as our time is very limited or short, so we have to just go through a speedy. Look at another two rules. As there is many, M-A-N-Y, if there is many in affirmative sentence, so then you have to write in place of many, not a few, not a few. Look at the board. I have, suppose, many pens. আমার অনেকগুলো কলম আছে. Look, the sentence will be I have not a few pens. And look at another example. We have many friends. Then the negative sentence will be we haven't or have not, we have not a few friends. Okay, my dear students, by following these rules you can have a scope to change from affirmative to negative. And if there is mass, okay, then you have to write not a little, okay, not a little. Suppose the answer should be there is not a little water in the pot, okay. Look, my dear students, as our time is very short, so see you later. But before ending our classes, I would like to say you that during this critical moment you need to practice again and again, stay in your home, and also you should have follow the rules and the rules of health and hygiene. Okay, thank you everybody.